Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be talking all about summer pieces to incorporate into your capsule wardrobe. So the summer capsule closet. Now these are just strictly summer pieces. I've done loads of videos like in the past on the capsule wardrobe in general and just general pieces to have in your wardrobe for all year round. But like I said, these are going to be strictly summer pieces, key pieces that I think mix in really well and they make up a great summer wardrobe. Now I know obviously not everybody's comfortable in all of the things that I'm going to be mentioning, so take it all with a grain of salt. Pick and choose what you like and what works best with your lifestyle, and think of this more as a guide rather than you have to have all these things. So yeah, always keep that in mind whenever I go through anything in my videos. So yeah, I guess with that, we will get started. Alright, so the first thing that came to my mind when I was thinking of key pieces that would work really well in a summer wardrobe is a sundress. I absolutely love dresses, mainly because you just pop it on and that is your entire outfit right there. There's no worrying about mixing and matching things. You just grab the one piece and you're pretty well good to go. Otherwise, like adding a few accessories to it. I think these are literally what summer is about, and with these you can really tailor it to your personal style as well, whether you like something that's a little more neutral or more colorful or shorter or longer. Play around with it, find what works for you, and have a cute little summer dress in your wardrobe for the summer, because I guarantee you that's something you're always going to be pulling for. For me personally, like I always grab a sundress when I just want like a quick, easy outfit, pop it on, good to go out the door in 5 minutes. It's a very effortless outfit. So next up is going to be skirts, and skirts I know are one thing that not everybody is totally comfortable in, and that is totally cool. I love skirts. I think they're a great addition to the summer wardrobe and you can really play around and have fun with these. And just like with the dresses, you can find something that you're more comfortable in, whether it's a longer skirt, maybe you go for a maxi style skirt or a midi length, or if you're comfortable in a midi skirt then totally go for it. But I think skirts are just so much fun. They're super breezy, they're light, I don't know, they just make a summer outfit as well. So I have been personally loving more midi length skirts. That's what I'm most comfortable in and that's what I love wearing. And I have a couple in my wardrobe and I get a ton of wear out of those during the summer months just because they are like that super breezy outfit. And obviously you can tailor this to your personal style too, whether you want to go for something with a print or something completely neutral that's just going to blend seamlessly with the rest of your wardrobe. So yeah, I think skirts are another great addition to a summer wardrobe. Next on the list, the next thing I thought of is a pair of shorts. I love shorts. I'm not a huge fan of like booty shorts just because I'm not comfortable with my bum hanging out, but I love a good pair of just like modest shorts, something a little more looser fitting as well. I also think for shorts, it's great to have some options. So you want to have more of a casual short, so like your denim short that you can just chuck on for a very casual day out and about. Or I also think a dressier short is a great thing to have in your wardrobe as well. So I have a pair of dressier black shorts and I honestly wear these so much during the warmer months because you can really dress them up for a night out if you wanted to, pop it on with a really cute blouse and that's a really cute going out outfit. Or you can dress them down as well, even just with a t-shirt or something like that. So I think having some options for shorts, and I absolutely love how longer shorts are very much in style now. I've seen tons of Bermuda style shorts and things like that. So if you're not comfortable in really short shorts, there definitely are other options out there for you. So yeah, shorts are just something I think you can't go wrong with adding to your summer capsule. So next on my list is summer pants, and what I mean by summer pants is think something like a little bit more lightweight, whether it's lighter in color or lighter in material. Also think like something super breezy, maybe something flowy, or you know, something wide leg, something with a pattern if you're into that sort of thing. That's what I think of when I think of summer pants, like something you could wear paired with a really casual outfit, or also something maybe you can chuck on and like head to the beach in. I think because summer is like the only time of year you can get away with wearing pants like that, so you know, take full advantage. I absolutely love like flowier style pants, just something a little bit looser and more lightweight. But recently I did get a pair of linen pants. So those are extremely lightweight. They're a light beige color as well. And I think these are super cute. Like I would totally pair this with a t-shirt and have an outfit I could just wear out and about. Or I could wear this to the beach with a really cute bikini top and then have the pants on over top of my swimsuit, and that would make a really cute beachy style outfit as well. So something that's very versatile, yet it's still very comfortable and light because we don't want to get too hot in the summertime. So next on the list is a camisole, and this is actually something that I think works really well throughout the entire year, but these are like made for summertime because you can wear them as a standalone piece. I pretty much live in camis during the summertime. I just absolutely love them. I love just having like my shoulders free. They're definitely one of the tops that's gonna keep you the coolest when it is really warm outside. And there are honestly tons of really cute styles out there, so you could go for something extremely basic if you wanted to. I have just like a very basic white camisole that I like to wear literally with everything. It's just such a classic. I also have camis that have a little bit more detailing on them, like something with a lace trim, so it can add a little bit of punch or a mini statement to your outfit as well. So these are a piece that I think are just absolutely great, and they are definitely a perfect standalone piece for the summer. So next up on the list is a summer shirt or a summer blouse. So whether you go for like shorter sleeve style blouse or even sleeveless blouses, I think those are a great thing to incorporate into your summer wardrobe. When I used to work an office job during the summer months, I lived in like sleeveless, yeah, like thick strap sleeveless blouses, and I just absolutely loved wearing those with some dress pants and a belt. I always thought that made such a chic look. My office jobs were always super casual though. It wasn't like extremely dressy attire that we had to wear, but something like that I absolutely loved wearing to work. Those are great to convert into like a night out look as well, or even, you know, on the weekends pair it off with some jean shorts, and that's a really cute outfit as well. So something like that is very versatile. You can get a lot of wear out of it. Once again, you know, pick something that's going to go with your style, whether it is more basic or it has some sort of mini statement or a flair to it. I think you really can't go wrong with things like that in your summer capsule. Last but not least, I would say a good t-shirt. So whether you want like a white t-shirt, a black t-shirt, a gray t-shirt, a brown t-shirt, whatever color is you, I think a t-shirt really can enhance your summer looks, and they are the perfect thing just to wear for a super casual day. I would wear a t-shirt paired off with the linen pants, like I said, and that's a really cute summer outfit right there. Now, I personally have a couple of t-shirts just because I like them. So I have a black t-shirt, a white t-shirt, as well as a gray t-shirt, and I kind of rotate through those. Oh, and I also have a graphic t-shirt. I like to add that in for a little bit of an edgier look as well. So I think you really can't go wrong with a t-shirt during the summertime. I mean, that's just such a classic piece also. All right, so that wraps up all of the clothing items that I thought would be perfect for a summer capsule. And I thought about adding accessories and just like extras to this video as well, but I didn't want it to be crazy long. So I'm gonna be doing that in a separate video, which will be live next Sunday. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you aren't already to look out for that video. And hopefully this helped you. You know, if you're not sure where to start with your summer wardrobe, hopefully this could have been a helpful little guide that you can pick things from and sort of tailor it to your own personal style and make it work for you. Yeah, that wraps it up. So make sure you guys check out next week's, which will be the accessories / extras for the summer capsule, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!